don't think people understand the secret message hidden in the universe's oldest light. Let's uncover the cosmic microwave background. The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is like a time machine for scientists. It's the afterglow of the Big Bang, a snapshot of the baby universe just 380,000 years old. Imagine a baby picture of the cosmos. This ancient light tells us about the universe's origins Remember, that faint glow of the CMB is the universe whispering its secrets to us. Amazing, right? Keep exploring, fellow space enthusiasts.